With Yakify, you can easily create your very own brand in China. It's simple, fast, and easy. Enjoy our turnkey service that will help you find your own products, personalize them with your very own logo, negotiate with your suppliers about the timing and the pricing of your products, check the quality of your items, ship them with the method you prefer, dropshipping from China, import into your own country, ship them in bulk to an Amazon FBA location. Not bad, right? I am Ilaria from Yakify, and in this video I will show you how to private label your product with a few simple steps from the Yakify dashboard. Ask for a product quotation on Yakify. Here you can see the Yakify dashboard. To land on this page, log in into your account or register to create one. Now the first thing you need to do is ask for a product quotation. You have two options. You can request a quote of a product that is already in our catalog or for a new product entirely. Remember, when you personalize your products, you need to buy a little stock. You can decide to personalize your products in different ways. Stickers, the cheaper options. Printed logo, silk logo, the more expensive option. Normally, the more products you buy, the less you pay per single item. Maybe this is a stupid example, but follow me for a little longer. When you buy a small bag of chips, maybe inside you have 100 pieces and you pay $1 for that bag. When you purchase a big package, maybe you have 1,000 pieces and you pay $3. This is because there are some fixed costs that depend on handling that product, packing it and shipping that. So think about these factors when you decide the quantity for your quotation. Request private label quote for a public product. If you want to ask for a quote of a product present in a catalog, click on Products and then on Public Products. Select the product you want to personalize and click on Wholesale in the blue box on the right. In this page, you can choose where to ship your goods. You can bulk ship your products outside China to a custom address, for example to your home address or a chosen warehouse address. You can even ship to an Amazon FBA location. You can keep them in a warehouse in Shenzhen to be drop shipped one by one to your clients as orders arrive. You can stock for eBay in our Shenzhen warehouse and be drop shipped one by one to your customers. You can also choose to ship the items to our Italian warehouse and drop ship your items from there. If you want to know how to drop ship products following eBay regulations, click here. Once you select your product's destination, click on Next. On the page that opens up, you can upload your logo. Please make sure that it is PDF or AE format, as our system does not accept PNG or JPEG files. Once your logo is uploaded, please make sure you state in the box where exactly you want the logo to be printed. Please note that we will print the logo exactly as it is, so it is your responsibility to make sure that it is on the right color and style. This is your order recap page, where you can pick the variants and write the quantity for each variant you want to purchase. In the blue box on the right, you will see the summary of the products you want to purchase, and you can add any notes if you deem necessary. Once you check everything, click on Send Your Quote. You will get a full quotation back within 5-7 working days. Request a private label quote for a new product. Now let's see how to request a private label quotations if you do not find the product you want in our public catalog. Log into Yakify's dashboard. Here on the left-hand side menu, choose the tab Wholesale. Once redirected to the new page, click on the New Request button on the top left corner. In this page, you can insert a link from either Alibaba, AliExpress or Amazon and click on Submit. From then onwards, you can follow the same process as we showed before. You can choose to ship your products outside China to a custom address, for example to your home address or a chosen warehouse address, or you can even ship to an Amazon FBA location. You can keep them in a warehouse in Shenzhen to be dropshipped one by one, stock for eBay and dropship to your customers, ship them to our Italian warehouse and dropship your items from there. Choose a destination for your parcel, upload the logo in AE or PDF format, write in the white box where exactly you want it to be printed, select the variants and pieces of products that you want to buy and click on Send Your Quote. What happens after? When you request a quote through our system, our sourcing team will research some of the best suppliers in China to locate the perfect item that suits your need and the most advantageous price. Don't worry, we will not purchase the products from an AliExpress or Amazon reseller. We need the link only to have all the details, specifics, of the product you're looking for. We're going to study these specifics and source them directly from the manufacturers in order to provide you with a comprehensive and precise quote, inclusive of all expenses, say for example the shipping to your own country and the custom costs. Should you choose to import your items, we will need a couple of working days. As soon as the quotation is ready, you will receive a notification on your email, and this yellow clock will turn green. How to purchase your products? At this point, you can click on details. The first thing to note is that all wholesale quotations have an expiration date, which you can see here. You can see the quantity of items you requested and the destination. When scrolling down, you will see pictures of the item, its cost and status. Then you will notice there are 3 lines. Production time, which is the time that it will take to personalize your item. Local shipping time, which is the shipping time from manufacturer to our Yakiify warehouse. Quality check time, the time that it will take us to make sure that all is fine with your items. If everything looks good, you can click away from the window and proceed to click on buy. In this page, you will be able to access further details about your order, like the unit price, total product cost, and shipping costs. You also have the option to choose to have an advanced quality control, which means that we will evaluate each and every item before shipping them. When you're ready, just click on checkout and pay with Payoneer, bank transfer, credit card, Stripe, or PayPal. What happens after you place an order? After the payment is clear, an invoice will be sent to you by email. You can also find them by clicking on your icon, Manage Invoices. Here you will see all your invoices and be able to check all their details, emission dates, amount, type, and invoice number. At the same time, our buyer office will purchase your items from the supplier. Your products will be delivered to a warehouse in Shenzhen. Once they arrive there, our team will check the quality of your items and upload them in your virtual warehouse if they will stay in Shenzhen, or depending on the destination you choose, they will be shipped to a custom location or to an Amazon FBA location. Please note that when we upload your personalized items to the virtual warehouse, we will create a new SKU for them. I will show you an example here. You can see a picture of the product, an SKU, a title, and quantity. To connect this inventory to your store, you need to import this SKU to your store. To do that, click on the title of your product and you will be redirected to the product page. At that point, you can import that product on your store as any other product. If you don't know how, just click here. Once your store is connected with our inventory, each time an order arrives in your store with the same SKU, our system will automatically fulfill your order with one of the products present in the inventory. Hence, you will be charged only for the shipping price. And that's it! As you see, creating your very own brand with Yakiify is fast and easy. You only need to select a product, give us your logo, and we will handle the rest. Yakiify allows you to easily request private label quotations for your products and makes your life so much easier by assisting you in every step of the way. Our quotations include all possible expenses, personalization, shipping, and tax costs. So relax and scale your business with no surprises. If you like this video, please leave us a thumbs up and subscribe if you never want to miss a new tips and tricks video, new winning products ideas, or useful courses. If you have any questions, please comment below and we will reply as soon as possible. Thank you and see you next time.